The Zenith Labour Party candidate says his quest to become governor is born out of the need to engender rapid development in Anambra State by engaging with Nigerians in the diaspora to attract foreign investment into the state. Obiora Okonkwo says if elected, he will create the enabling environment and improve the security architecture to make the state a choice destination for investors.
Think-home policy, because we believe that with the security situation in Nigeria, you can only get investors who will come and put their money here with special relationship, with special sentiment. This is my home. This is where I must have to put something. This is a governor who is credible. So with that, we should be able to create an enabling environment for them to be able to invest, not only to invest financially, but also to come home and impact the knowledge they have acquired overseas. I've engaged some of these people we are targeting before this program. They made contribution and input to our own, our manifesto, 10-point agenda, and they're ready to come. For instance, those in the healthcare area, they are going to bring in their own resources to set up tertiary hospitals in the 3 senatorial zones in Anambra State, and that will bring about health tourism. These are medical doctors who have studied in Nigeria to some extent, and some of them in the US, but they had located to America. They had established properly, and they even have their second generation kids running their clinics, and they're about 60s and above, and they just can't imagine staying and living in the US, dying there without making an impact home. So that's settled. I know that they need enabling environment to be able to invest. That's where you come with the issue of peace and security. It is very critical and paramount in our own 10-point agenda. We believe that the best way to attack the insecurity, first of all, you do not only have to make all the necessary provisions in terms of technology, training of security personnel, we're also going to engage both informal arrangements. We have had community policing before now, not necessarily by official policemen, but the vigilantes and all that. We're going to really deeply invest in them, increase the level of training, and then obviously for security to prevail, there must be jobs.
The ZLP candidate also promised to grow the economy of the state and provide jobs for the youths.
I have been a diasporan at some point, so I can understand the sentiments and the feelings over there. And in my own private capacity, I've also been instrumental to so many diasporan investment in Nigeria. So that's why in my own 10-point agenda, we had articulated clearly a practical and people-oriented programs that has special consideration for the diasporans. And one of the cardinal points is what we call diasporan engagement. I am aware that Nigerians in the United States may have been generating income of about $40 billion US, and when you add it to Nigerians in UK, in Asia, and all over, they might be getting about 60 to 70 billion. And diaspora repatriation in Nigeria is probably second to Philippines, where we got over 20 billion US. And out of that, I think we should be having about 40% being Anambrarians. So for that reason, the engagement is such that we should recognize the economic power of the diasporans, the technical knowledge they have, which is really needed for rapid development in Anambra State, southern region in particular. That investment coming from overseas will bring about economic growth, and that economic growth will bring about jobs, and jobs will take away the youth from the street.
The Zenith Labour Party candidate added that the Awka administration has failed to bring any meaningful transformation to the state in 16 years, hence the need to vote them out.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.